कई ने लोग they see me as a problem. समझ ना आवे मैनू की है problem. I give them a cure with a fresh new album. I'm a writer.